How to create a real account on FxPro. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you want to create a real account on FxPro, then first of all open up the FxPro application on your device or your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and get to this home page, and from here scroll down under Trading Accounts, click on Real. Now click on the Create Real Account button at the bottom. You'll then be able to see two different options, FxPro Standard Account and FxPro Raw Plus. The FxPro Standard has no commission fees. You only pay through the spread, easier to understand and manage, whereas the FxPro Raw Plus option is very tightly spreaded, but you pay a commission per trade. So the FxPro Raw Plus is best for experienced trader, scalpers, high volume traders, and people using bots, whereas the standard account option is best for beginners, people learning trading, and low frequency traders, and anyone who wants things simple. Choose any one option and tap on the continue button. Now on the next page, select your account currency you want to use for your real account. Choose the account leverage, execution method from netting or hedging. If you want to use an external terminal with this account and create your own trading password, tap the square box at the bottom and create a password. Finally, click Create Account at the bottom and you have successfully created a real account. Now, take your time to learn, practice, and manage your risk wisely. Trading is a skill, and very expert was once a beginner. Happy trading and stay curious. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.